a golden opportunity to stand here. So I am going to tell something about water. Water is one of the most essential resource in our earth. Water is made from two elements, hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen is the first element of our periodic table, and oxygen is also eighth element of our periodic table. Oxygen contains moisturizers, and oxygen also contains a power of burning. In absence of oxygen, we can't burn anything. So water is in our earth, water is about 71% in earth, and we use 97% water of salty, and 3% water we use in drinking and the other works of our daily uses. So in 3% water we use, but nowadays we spoil a lot of water because we don't think about the coming generation, which things is happening with us. We don't thought about it. If we use anything, then we use for only our benefit. We don't thought about the coming generation, what's happening, and which things create a lot of problems in our life. We only thought about ourselves. If we save a bit, then it create in future a big, because we know if we save a one bucket, then in our future it create a lot of things in our coming generation. And also water uses in hydroelectric generation, because electricity is also made by the water, by the fastly flow of electricity. At that time, due to our electric generator and also electric, we produce our electric, and electric is useful for our all things, because without electricity we can't carry on any factory and our houses. And nowadays a lot of machinery, our lot of machinery by going on by the electricity, and electricity gets a lot of facility to all pupils. We all live in, and we use it much. And nowadays we also heard about it. If we use a lot of electricity, then it's also harmful for us, because due to some things which going on by the electricity, they also create a harmful effect on everyone. And also a lot of business in past time, there's a lot of business going on by seas, means water. When the in past time, when people want to do business, then they do by the water, means seas, rivers, and canals, and many things. They carry on their business by the water transport. And you know about it, nowadays many big cities are also situated near the water. It's the biggest reason of it, because in past time we all carry on our business by the water. That time there's no much facilities, so we use water for our transporting. And many pupils who thought that if we use by the land, then it's too costly by those pupils who doing business. They thought that if I invest much money in it, whereas we in some money we transport our goods by it. They use water for their transporting. You all know that mostly in the big cities, our transporting going on very well. In small cities, our products don't be sell in a good prices, and also don't buy in a good prices. So that's why if we choose any transporting, then we use our water. And but nowadays also we use it, but not than the pastime, because in pastime we don't have a much facilities which is now. And we thought that if we use now transport by water, then it's create a lot of money. But by the transporting things, then we don't invest a lot of money. And also we create means water has a three properties: solid, liquid, and gas. In solid property, we also contain a ice. And in liquid property, we have like a water what we drink and use for us. And also in gas we use a vapor of water. In a vapor position, we know that near the seas, rivers, the water converted into a vapor. And the vapor go inside the cloud, and it creates a cloud after the rain is happen. And the level of water in our earth is good in that process. So the process of vapor creates a lot of things in our life, because without raining the level of our water is not good. If you know the places about where the level of raining is down, there we find there's people tolerate a lot of difficult in their lives. So like a Meghalaya, in Meghalaya there's a ratio of raining much than other states. So we know that in Meghalaya a rain happens much. So there's a water level is too good. And we in the opposite we choose the state Rajasthan. There's happen rain but not much like other states. So in Rajasthan, we nowadays people also tolerate a lot of difficult. They know the value of drops of water, because they tolerate these things from the past time. Now they have a facility but not like ours. Means if we at our home, then we open a tap, and at that time we brush, then water flows a much, and it's a wastage of water. And also if we use one bucket, then we also flow a two bucket water by the using of summers and motors and many things. So but there's people, means desert pupils, know the value of water very well, because in past time pupils don't have much hand pumps and summers and many things. So government take the wells, means about 50 kilometers gaps. They dig the well, and their pupil their that time pupil also carried bottle and many things for that, because they thought if I thirsty, then there's a no summer or tap. They get water from the wheel. So that's why they carried it. And nowadays we get water everywhere. If we go anywhere, then we buy it. But in past time, pupils know that if I waste one glass of water, then it affects much in our life. But nowadays we don't care what's waste and what's dirty. It doesn't matter. But nowadays also the people of deserts, they know that water is essential for every person. Without water, our all works are stopped. Means if we drink, then we drink water. We live without eating. Means for a week, but one will die without water just days. Means we don't have a capability of thirsty. If we are thirsty, then we tolerate everything. We tolerate hungry and but not thirsty. If we are thirsty, then we thought that our life is stopped. We feel so. At that time, we also thought that if I carried water, then I feel bad. Many times, if people forget their water bottles, you all also, if you forget your bottles at your home, then when you present here at that time, you thought, why I do this? If I don't forget that, then it's not so. So water is essential for every person, and the form of ice is also uses in cold storage. By when you all go in cold storage and you watch that there's a flows of water there, and there's a big refrigerator, and they cooled it and they make a ice packs. After it, they make their cold storage very cold. That's why the product we want to stay a long time. Then we stay in a cold storage, and our products get very well. If we buy anything and we stay out it without any type of prevention, then it's spoiled and it's no use of theirs. That's why we all watch out the potato after it's digging. Then we take it in the cold storage, and we there they take it and for a long time. When means when you want maybe 1 year, we stay it in a cold storage. And also water pollution is increased much. We all know that our rivers, the most dirty river in situated in Uttar Pradesh. Its name is Hindar, maybe Hindar River. It's a much dirty river in our state, because it is much dirty by all pupils. We all said that Ganga is very holy river, and it was the all pupils sin. But we also make it very dirty. Then how our sin are washed by it? Means when we thought that if we go for bathing in the Ganga, at that time our all sins are washed. But we make it dirty. We go there and we collect a lot of plastics and flowers, many dirty things. We throw in their river. We go there for not. We don't go there for wash our things. We go there for dirt, make it dirty. It's our duty to check out everything, what's going in our area. If someone do anything, do this, then we also said why you do this. We also explain it. If we don't understand, then we leave it. You don't do this. If someone do, then you don't pay attention on this. Means many factories is going on, and there's a garbage throw in the rivers, in canals and seas, manywhere. You watch out if some any factory is going on. There's the dirty pipe of theirs is not situated in the door. It's a back side, not a door. We means if someone watch out, we don't show from upper side. Means I am dirty. We showed that if we are dirty, then we shows from inner, not for outer. Just like that, we do this and make it a lot of mash up our areas, and also many things like we consume water for our coming generation. Many pupils in the rainy time they collect water, and after they also flow there. Then what the use of it? If you collect, then you also serve in any plant and anything. And also one thing more ask that oxygen is important or water is important. According to me, both are connected with each other, because if we don't give water to the plants, then how plant grow it? And also, if plant don't grow it, then how they throw the oxygen, and how we breathe and exhale it. So both things are connected with each other, and many forests are happened. There's climate is too good, and water is also prepare, means make a temperature of our climate is too good. Due to our water level, our climate is changed. By that conditions, if you know that if there's in any area the rainy is much, then it affects whole world. Whole world means we all are there a lot of difficult in our life. If the climate is of summer, then it's can some cold in our area, then it affects a lot of things. Means many times we in many areas the water is collected. At that time there's increase a lot of diseases by its. Mostly the aquatic animals are depend on water. If we dirt it water, then aquatic animal also die in it. Means like a fish, dolphin, crocodile, and many aquatic animals which is situated in the waters. They also want to do their life very freely, but nowadays we make our rivers and seas dirt. That's why they can't live properly, and we take fishes, and we make our house like a aquatic aquarium. We bring aquarium, and we collect water on it. If somebody live in a freedom, and you bring their freedom from it, and you take it your home, then what the use of your found? Means if you want, then you go in the seas and the rivers, and you feed them means fishes and many things in many places in small rivers. Otherwise you go in a seas, otherwise crocodile and many dangerous animals eat you. So don't do this. If you want to feed it, then you go in a small rivers, not a big rivers. Otherwise you also feed by them. So we also careful about that things. If we want to help anyone, then first we consume water, and we know that the life is a water. It's also said by many pupils, without water we can't do anything, and our life is fulfilled from very difficult if we waste water just like that. If we want to save our environment, then we consume water a lot of, and also use in a good way. That's all.